Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2017 Kia Sorento with a 2.4 liter engine in it. This is actually my coworker's job, but he quit a couple weeks ago. Now it's time for me to figure this out. They actually sold a 9 hours tear down. This misfiring right here, the cylinder number 4 is misfiring. And I'm like, not really a big fan of someone else's diagnosis, you know? So I decided to go ahead and do my own diagnosis. And I did a compression test and it's 0 reading right here. And then I put a lot of oil. Yeah, I did a lot of oil in there and the compression still remained 0. And I'm like, well, there might be something wrong with the valve here. Let me go ahead and use my KAIWEETS Borescope just to check what's going on the bottom. Let's do that real quick. Alright guys, so here is my KAIWEETS. This one is Articulating Borescope. It's pretty cool to have this kind of feature because we're gonna need this to check the valve. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Oops, I'm very bad at this one. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and adjust this a little bit. There we go. All right, guys. So I got it in. By the way, I did set the cylinder number 4 to bottom dead center, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my borescope down there, and let's see if we can find something interesting here. Oops, that's the piston right there, and low power. My borescope is low power. Why I can't do it? I just want to see down there. Maybe I should move it down more, right? Okay, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, now we're talking. User error. There we go. Now we can able to see some piston right there. All 4 of them. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. It's right here. Oh man, no wonder I do have a 0 compression. Look, that valve is bad. Let me go ahead and switch camera real quick. Okay, so I'm not sure if this one is exhaust or intake, but we do have a solid evidence here, guys. So with this KAIWEETS Borescope, do we still need to go ahead and tear the engine apart? I don't think so, because we have a good evidence right here. Sweet. That is a pretty cool tool right here. Then we can also take a picture here. There you go. So we can attach this picture to the RO, and we can also show it to the customer. Pretty handy tool. I'll go ahead and oops. I'll go ahead and make a few more. There we go. All right, guys, if you want to buy one of this, I do have a link down below and discount code also available for you guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye.